Good morning to my dear students. In this class, we go to understand what is accounting cycle. My dear students, that is very important topic. What is accounting cycle? Accounting is complete sequence of accounting process that begins with recording of business transaction and ends with the preparation of final accounts. Ends with preparation of final accounts. Please note these two important points. Accounting cycle starts with, first one is recording of business transactions. Second point is ends with the preparation of final accounts. Final accounts. That is the accounting sequence. Okay. Now let you see the accounting cycle. Accounting cycle. When you start a business, you will have various business activities which come across business transactions. Okay. Business la padanaka so many activities irko business la which come across in business transactions. Okay. Next one is journal. What will happen in accounting as this monetary transactions of day to day basic will be recorded in the book called journal. Now another example, book of original or prime entry as business transactions are recorded at the first instance, at the first time, also called prime instance. Transactions recorded in the order in which they occur, example in chronological order. Basic book of accounting. The process of entering. Please note this point. That is very, very important point. The process of entering or recording the transaction in the journal is called journalizing. The process of entering or recording the transactions in the journal is called journalizing. Okay. Entering பண்றது or recording பண்றது in the journal. Now we called journalizing. Record of each transaction in the journal is called journal entry. Okay. Now you see the pro forma of journal. That is the pro forma of journal. First column is date. Second column is particular. Third column is leaf column. Fourth column debit. Fifth column is credit. Okay, that is the pro forma of journal. Now you prepare journal entries in this manner. Next one is ledger. Ledger is a book of secondary entry. Transaction recorded in the journal are finally carried out to the ledger. Each transaction of the business, first you recorded in the journal are finally carried to the ledger. After recorded in the journal are finally carried to the ledger. Okay, contains all the accounts of a business. Note this point. Contains all the accounts of a business. business all accounts whether real இருக்கட்டும் personal இருக்கட்டும் normal இருக்கட்டும் nominal இருக்கட்டும் nominal recorded in the ledger contains all the accounts of a business whether real, personal or nominal. Now you see the format of ledgers. First column is date, second column particular, third column leaf column, fourth column amount, that is the debit side. Now see the credit side, debit, particular, okay, leaf column and credit like amount column. Okay, that is the format of ledgers. First side is debit side, credit side. In debit side, date, particular, leaf column, amount. Credit side, same, date, particular, leaf column and amount column. Okay, another example of ledger where accounts are written up. Now happens in ledger the combined effect of debit and credit particular to each account arrive in the form of balance. The prove the accuracy the work done. Okay, ledger, that is important point. Prove the accuracy the work done. என்ன ஒர்க் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க அதோட proofness with accuracy, prove the accuracy the work done, this balance are transferred to a statement called trial balance. Now the help of trial balance, sorry, once again I repeat this. Ledger where accounts are written up. Now happens the ledger. In ledgers the combined effect of debit and credit particularly each account arrive in the form of balance. The prove the accuracy the work done, this balance are transferred to a statement called trial balance. Now the help of trial balance we prepare trading and profit and loss account. If once you prepared trading and profit and loss account, simultaneously you will also prepare balance sheet. The trading and profit and loss account, whether making profit or suffering loss. In trading and profit and loss account, whether making profit or suffering loss. And next statement is balance sheet. Will you tell you what is the financial position of the business? Balance sheet le எங்களுக்கு financial position of the business. Next statement, balance sheet will you tell, balance sheet உங்களுக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க, balance sheet will you tell what is the financial position of the business. Understand? Balance sheet means financial position of the business. Balance sheet is also called next year opening balance. Okay, understand? Okay, next. Rules of debit and credit. There are three types of rules. First one is personal account. Next one is real account. Third one is nominal account. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Next, real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Next, nominal. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all gains and incomes. My dear students, this topic is very, very important in accounts because all rules and regulations are all golden rules of accounting come under this topic. Please note this topic. Okay, next one. Advantages of journal. Journal provides a chronological example, date-wise record of all business transaction at one place. Understand this first point. Journal provides a chronological example, date-wise record. எந்த டேட்டில் எந்த டிரான்சாக்ஷன் ஆகிருக்குது, எந்த டேட்ஸில் யாருக்கு சேலரி கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்க, எந்த டேட்ஸில் பேங்க்கில் எவ்வளோ டிபாசிட் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க, டேட் வைஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் கொடுப்பாங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஜார்னல் டேட் வைஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் உங்களுக்கு கொடுப்பாங்க. ஓகே, டேட் வைஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் பிஸ்னஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் at one place. Note this point. Next, transaction recorded as and when they take place, chance of any transaction being unrecorded is reduced to the minimum. Okay, next. Faculties. Preparation of ledger accounts serves as evidence in the court of law. Transactions recorded with narration. Reason for each transaction can be ascertained. What is a narration? We will discuss later. Okay. Next one is distinction between journal and ledger. Okay, that is very important point. First column is basis, second journal, ledger. Distinctions. First, nature of book. In journal it is a book of prime entry. Okay, prime entry. First நாங்கள் பிஸ்னஸ் டிரான்சாக்ஷன் நாங்கள் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுறது ஜார்னலே தான். ஓகே, ஜார்னல் அதில் தான் ப்ரைம் என்ட்ரி சொல்லுவாங்க நாங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட், ledger, it is a book of secondary entry. After entering transaction in journal, we post the entry to the ledger, that is called secondary entry. Okay, basis of preparation is a prepared on the basis of sources document. Okay, it is prepared on the basis of journal. Next, object. What is the object of journal and ledger? It is prepared to record all transaction in chronological order. Here, it is prepared to know the net effect of various transactions affecting a particular accounts. Okay. Next, balancing. Journal is not balanced. எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னாக்கா ஜார்னல்லே உங்களுக்கு டோட்டல் கால்குலேட் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. ஜஸ்ட் we write journals entries, but here in ledgers all ledger accounts are balanced. லெட்ஜரில் நாங்கள் பேலன்ஸ் கேல்குலேட் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகே, all ledgers accounts are balanced. Narration. Now we discuss about narration. Narration is written for each entry. No narration is given. Okay, in journal narration compulsory. Example, narration எப்படி நீங்கள் எப்படி எழுதுனாக்கா, இப்போ நீங்கள் சேலரி பெய்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாங்க, பெய்ட் சேலரி, அது யாருக்கு பெய்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அது தேவையில்லை, ஜஸ்ட் பெய்ட் சேலரி, பெய்ட் சேலரி. அது என்ட்ரி என்னன்னாக்கா சேலரி அக்கௌண்ட் ஆட் டு கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட், பெய்ட் சேலரி இன்ட்டு கேஷ், கொஷன் பெய்ட் சேலரி இன்ட்டு கேஷ். அதுக்கு ஜார்னல் என்ட்ரி என்னன்னாக்கா சேலரி அக்கௌண்ட் ஆட் டு கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட், சேலரி அக்கௌண்ட் ஆட் டு கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட். ஸோ கீழே நாங்கள் நரேஷன் எழுதுவாங்க இன் ப்ராக்கெட் பீயிங் சேலரி பெய்டு, பீயிங் சேலரி பெய்டு. எக்ஸாம்பிள் நேம் வந்துச்சுனாக்கா பீயிங் சேலரி பெய்ட் டு சிவகுமார். ஸோ அது கூட நரேஷன் நீங்கள் ஜார்னல் என்ட்ரி என்னன்னா அதுக்கு ஓகே, பீயிங் சேலரி பெய்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட் நேம் ஆஃப் தி ப்ராசஸ், அதுக்கு என்ட்ரி என்ன, பீயிங் சேலரி பெய்ட் டு சிவகுமார் அக்கௌண்ட் டு கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட், சிவகுமார் அக்கௌண்ட் டு கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட். நரேஷன் என்னக்கா பீயிங் சேலரி பெய்ட் டு சிவகுமார், அப்படி கூட எழுதுவாங்க நீங்கள். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு நரேஷன், தட் இஸ் கால்ட் நரேஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் நேம் ஆஃப் ப்ராசஸ், the process is called journalizing, the process of recording in the ledger is called posting, okay. So today's class is completed. I hope you understand very well. And next class we start another topic. Thank you for listening. Please, I request all the students, please note all the points and recorded your notes. Okay, after complete this hour, please give your attendance also. Thank you.